Two wild elephants that had wandered into Mysore city this morning caused panic and resulted in the death of one man.
Well, crowd control was the biggest challenge for the authorities before the two elephants could finally be tranquilized and captured.
Dramatic visuals of an elephant running amok in the city of Mysore. And the consequences were tragic. One man was trampled and gored to death. A cow was also killed. Vehicles were damaged as the panicked and confused animal tried to avoid the crowd that had gathered around it. The young male elephant was finally tranquilized by officials from the forest department. Its companion, the second elephant that had wandered into Mysore from nearby forests, took much longer to tranquilize and capture. Domesticated elephants were brought in to help in the operation. The habitat of elephants is being increasingly eroded by human beings, and they frequently venture into human habitation with consequences that are tragic for both sides. An unruly crowd is often the biggest challenge.
The forests in that belt, which are barely 50 kilometers from Mysore, harbor over 2,000 wild elephants. It's the largest population of Asian elephants. This movement of elephants out of the forest towards the sources of food has increased. The maintenance of elephant-proof trenches, which are meant as barriers, is sometimes not always perfect. If left alone, the police and the forest department will do a reasonable job of solving the problem reasonably quickly. But people behave very irrationally, form mobs and mob the animals, and after all, these are wild animals.
Wild elephants in the urban jungle, a situation that ended in tragedy. Human beings are degrading the environment, the habitat of these wild creatures, and humans form mobs that further terrify a bewildered animal. There is a lot that we need to do to prevent such tragedies from occurring again and again. Maya Sharma for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.